In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Ton Wallet to X Empire. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open your Telegram app and sign into your Telegram account. Now in here, go ahead and search for the X Empire bot. On the X Empire bot, go ahead and click on the play button, and this will redirect you into the minigame of X Empire. This will redirect you into your homepage where you'll be able to find all of your earnings on the platform. Now in here, go ahead and click on the top right corner of your screen to be able to summon the menu section of X Empire. Now go ahead and click on the airdrop, and this will redirect you into a new page. Now in here, go ahead and click on the connect wallet button. Click on connect different wallets, since what we want to do in here is to connect our Ton wallet to our X Empire account. So in here, go ahead and click on Ton Keeper, and this will redirect you into the Ton Keeper app if you have it on your device. Well, if you don't, you'll need to sign in to your account to be able to connect your Ton wallet to your X Empire account. Once you've signed into your account, you'll need to authorize the connection between your Ton wallet and your X Empire account. And after that, once you head back to X Empire, you'll be able to find the wallet address of your Ton wallet. And that's how you can simply connect your Ton wallet with your X Empire account. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.